Now, here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
Well, it's hard to believe it, but this is it. This is the last full day of winter. Tomorrow, just a partial day because the spring begins. But in the meantime, let me show you how we're starting off the last full day of winter. Got a couple of Canada geese flying over the sunset over by Wyoming. This is from Lynn Richardson. Just a beautiful sunrise shot this morning. A little nice looking shot, Lynn. Meanwhile, here's something from Glendive. Sandy Dare says it was just a few hours ago. We had sunny skies. It was a beautiful day. Then all of a sudden, the snow started moving in towards the Glendive area. We've had some of that snow in the Billings area as well today, and then it started moving in towards Glendive. But right now, things are kind of quiet in downtown Billings. As you can see, it's 26 degrees, mostly cloudy skies. We have a northeast wind at about 6. Gives you a wind chill factor that feels like 19 degrees out there. Now, our high temp today actually topped out at 30. The normal high 49. The record was 71 back in 2004. The record low was 9 below zero back in 1965. And when it comes to precipitation, we picked up a little bit today. Not a lot. It kind of melted as soon as it hit the streets, but we did get 0.04 of an inch out of it. Takes us to 5300ths for the month. And strangely enough, that's our average, 30-year average. So we're right on target there. For the year, we're a little bit behind average at 1.37. Only need to be at 1.49 to be caught up to average, so we're not quite there yet. But in the meantime, let me show you how we're doing around the rest of the state. Current temps are into the 20s and 30s out in the west. Across the High Line, mostly into the 20s across eastern Montana, too. A little warmer over at Sheridan and in Worland, into the low 30s at those places at this hour. Now, our reported highs for the day, look at how hot it was over Missoula. They got up to 50 degrees out there. Yeah, it was a beauty. 48 over at Kalispell. Back east of the divide, mostly 20s and 30s for afternoon highs. Over northern Wyoming, you see 40s over at Worland and also at Sheridan, 33 at Cody today. Now, we do have this. Take a look at this. This is a winter weather advisory, winter storm warning. Well, actually, it's a winter weather advisory. It stays until noon for a wintry mix of snow and freezing rain in Fallon and also in Carter County. What we're seeing is another batch of moisture moving in. Could be a little rain mixing with snow, and that could cause some problems. In the meantime, look at this. We do have some scattered snow showers moving through the Billings area. Most of the heavier snow up by Roundup continues to head its way in towards eastern Montana. It's all part of a much larger system. So if that snow is moving away from the Billings area, don't worry. We got a low pressure cell here, and it's picking up more moisture from Southern California, the Gulf of California, and slinging it in towards the Rockies and pushing it right up into Montana and Wyoming and also in towards the Dakotas tonight. So here's what you'll see at the surface. Cold front continues to drop down in towards Wyoming tonight. At the same time, this low pressure cell slinging more moisture our way. And so we'll continue to see some scattered snow showers develop here just north of us tonight and tomorrow morning. And then eventually you'll see this cold air drop a little bit farther south. It'll take some of the snow with it, but we're still going to see a few scattered snow showers off and on throughout the day on Thursday. But by Friday morning, just cold air here. And then by Friday afternoon, a warm front moves in and kind of starts setting us up very nicely for the weekend. And as far as snowfall amounts, not going to be much. Just light stuff is all we're expecting across the region. Those that get any snow will be kind of like what we had today, just some light flurries, and that's about all. Tonight we cool down to the teens and 20s for overnight lows still. Chance for some scattered snow showers in Billings and much of south central Montana. Tomorrow we're back up into the 20s. That's all. 20s for afternoon highs. So yeah, that is some cold air starting to move in. We'll wind up with maybe some scattered snow showers off and on Thursday on your last partial day of winter. And then after that, we start to see the weather 20 degrees for the overnight low, a 60% chance for snow tonight, but no accumulation expected. On Thursday, you'll get up to 28 degrees the first full day of spring. We dry up, get up to 38, 49 degrees on Saturday. Same thing on Sunday. Chance for some snow showers moving in Sunday through Wednesday, and temperatures getting into the 40s and 50s all the way through. Let's go back to Russ.